Well, today we will discuss two different kind of series, Taylor series and Laurent series. So, we will discuss complex Taylor and Laurent series. So, this complex Taylor series is a direct generalization of Taylor series of real function. So, that one is the direct generalization of this Taylor series of real functions. And however, this Laurent series is different from any series in real calculus and is useful in evaluation both real and complex integrals and in summation of series. Clear? So, this complex Taylor series is the generalization of Taylor series of real functions. However, Laurent series is slightly different. And before this, let us define series of complex terms and power series. And series of complex terms, a series of the form a1 plus eta b1 plus a2 plus eta b2 plus and so on plus an eta bn plus and so on up to infinity, where a1, a2, a3 and so on, b1, b2, b3 and so on are real numbers, okay, is called the series of complex terms. Series of complex terms. So, this first term, this second term and so on, this nth term and so on. And in compact form, this series can also be written as like this way. Okay. So, summation n1 to infinity a n plus eta summation n to infinity b n, or in more compact form this can be written like this way, summation n1 to infinity a n plus eta b n. And if series this one is convergent, this one is convergent, this means that this series summation a n and summation b n both are convergent. Okay. Clear? So, if both are convergent, then this series is also convergent. And if the series, these two series converge to the sum a plus b, then obviously the series 1 is said to converge to the sum a plus eta b. Now, next definition, what is power series? Power series means a series of the form a naught plus a1 z minus a plus a2 z minus a square plus so on plus a n z minus a power n plus and so on, and that can be written as summation n 0 to infinity a n z minus a power n is called power series in z minus a. Okay. So, this one is the definition of power series. So, a series of the form a naught plus a1 z minus a plus a2 z minus a square plus and so on. Okay. So, this one is a power series in z minus a. So, let us define what is Taylor series, how can we represent this type of series. Okay. So, if fz is analytic, this means that this function satisfies CR equations. So, if fz is analytic in a circle C with center at A, then for all z inside C, fz is equal to f a plus f dash a z minus a plus f double dash a over 2 factorial z minus a square plus and so on plus f nth derivative a over n factorial z minus a power n plus and so on, and write down this expression number 1. Okay. So, if fz is analytic inside a circle C with center A, then for all z inside C, fz can be represented like this series, and this series is nothing but known as Taylor series. Clear? Now, what is given here? What is given here? If fz is analytic on and inside C, if fz is analytic on and inside C, and then by Cauchy integral formula, f a is equal to 1 over 2 pi I integral over C fz over z minus a dz. Because this fz over z minus a, this function is not analytic at z is equal to a, and here a lying in within the closed curve C, here center A, okay, circle this center A. So, this A within this circle. Okay. So, if fz is analytic on and inside C, then by Cauchy integral formula 1 over 2 pi I integral over C fz over z minus a dz is equal to f a. Okay. Replacing a by z, replacing this a by z and z by t, then we obtain this expression 1 over 2 pi I integral over C f t over t minus z. So t minus z, a replaced by z and z replaced by t, clear? dz is equal to fa. So is equal to fz. Okay. So 1 over 2 pi I integral over c ft dt over t minus z is equal to fz. So when you replace a by z and z by t, then we obtain this type of relation. Okay. Now we have to prove that. Okay. We have to prove that fz is equal to fa plus f dash a z minus a plus f double dash a over 2 factorial z minus a square plus and so on f n a over n factorial z minus a power n plus and so on. ये आपको प्रूव करना है, ठीक है. तो ये थ्योरम बेसिकली है क्या, जस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड. आपके पास एक क्लोज्ड कर्व दिया हुआ है, एक क्लोज सर्कल दिया हुआ है, क्लियर, सिंपल वे, एक सर्कल दिया हुआ है जिसके बीच में एक पॉइंट है z इज इक्वल टू a एंड दैट वन इज द सेंटर ऑफ दैट सर्कल. ओके. And this function fz is analytic everywhere within that circle, everywhere within that circle. But this function is not analytic. Okay. तो अगर फंक्शन fz आपका किसी क्लोज्ड कर्व के अंदर हर पॉइंट पर एनालिटिक है, तो आप उस पॉइंट के अराउंड मीन्स z इज इक्वल टू a, उसके अराउंड आप एक सीरीज डेवलप कर सकते हो फंक्शन की. Okay. So in that case we can develop a series of the given function fz like this way. Okay. And this is only possible if fz is analytic within and on a closed curve C, and C means circle and A is center. So around z is equal to A we can develop a series of the given function which is analytic everywhere, right. Now for this what is the requirement? Now fz is equal to 1 over 2 pi I integral over c ft over t minus z dz. तो fz तो ये है आपका, ये आपको प्रूव करना है, दिस fz. ओके. fz इज इक्वल टू, ये आपको सीरीज डेवलप करनी है. तो हमें क्या करना है, 1 over t minus z, ये जो टर्म है t minus z, 1 over t minus z, expand this term and then and show that the series converges uniformly. तो आपको करना क्या है, 1 over t minus z को एक्सपेंड करना है, एक सीरीज की फॉर्म में इसको लेके आना है. ओके. देन यू कैन प्रूव दिस टाइप ऑफ रिजल्ट. अब देखिए सुमिशन है, इंटीग्रल है, इंटीग्रल इज बेसिकली सुमिशन. ओके. द लिमिट ऑफ दैट सम इज नथिंग बट इंटीग्रल, क्लियर. इंटीग्रल मींस सुमिशन of a series, clear. So let us prove this result. So we have this curve, this curve C circle and this point A center. Okay. So evaluating above expression, let us suppose that z be any point inside C, this z, okay, z be any point inside the circle C, and draw a circle C1, with center A at A enclosing z. तो आपने ये सर्कल इस ढंग से बनाना है A के अराउंड कि ये जो z पॉइंट है इस सर्कल के अंदर आ जाए, एंड T is any point lying on that circle, clear. T be any point on that circle. So T be any point on this circle C1. Then see z minus a, this distance, this magnitude is smaller than this magnitude. Okay, means z minus a is less than t minus a, and that can be written as z minus a over t minus a magnitude is less than 1. So this point is important. When you develop a series, when you expand, when you apply binomial expansion, this point is very, very important. So z minus a, this distance divided by this distance is less than 1. Okay. Now write 1 over t minus z, हमें इसको expand करना है, 1 over t minus z. Now 1 over t minus z can also be written as 1 over t minus a minus z minus a, clear. And that one is equal to 1 over t minus a within the bracket 1 minus z minus a over t minus a power minus 1, right. And this term z minus a over t minus a, this term is less than 1, so we can apply binomial expansion. Okay. So expanding this expression by binomial theorem, so 1 over t minus z is equal to 1 over t minus a as it is. Now use the binomial expansion, use the binomial theorem, 1 plus z minus a over t minus a plus z minus a over t minus a square plus z minus a over t minus a power n. So write on this expression number 2. Okay. Now since this magnitude is smaller than 1, so this magnitude, this term is smaller than 1, this term is smaller than 1, means 0.5 suppose. Okay. This means that the given series converges uniformly. द गिवन सीरीज कन्वर्जेस यूनिफॉर्मली। तो जब आप ये प्रूव कर दे रहे हो कि ये सीरीज जो है, ये जो सीरीज है ये यूनिफॉर्मली कन्वर्ज कर रही है, तो जब भी आप इंटीग्रेशन लेना होगा तो आप टर्म बाय टर्म इंटीग्रेशन ले सकते हो। ओके, सो मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ साइड बाय 1/2 pi I ft, we need this result. Okay, so multiply both side of 2, okay, 1/2 pi I ft, and integrating term by term with respect to t over c1. Okay, and this term by term integration is justified because the given series converges uniformly. Okay, so when you multiply by 1/2 pi I ft, then left side becomes 1/2 pi I integral over c ft over t minus z dz is equal to 1/2 pi I integral over c1 ft over t minus a dt and so on. Okay, so this expression number 3. And since ft is analytic on and inside c1, therefore by Cauchy integral formula 1/2 pi I integral over c1 ft over t minus z dt is equal to fz, this. Okay, so when you now this result, ये result कहाँ से आ रहा है? We know this Cauchy integral formula, and replacing a by z and z by t, we get this result. Okay, so this one is this result. Okay, and also f and a is equal to n factorial over 2 pi I integral over c1 ft over t minus a power n minus n plus 1 dt. So this result means f n a over n factorial. So use all these results. Okay, then we obtain. So this we get fz is equal to, okay, this result we know fa. Now this result z minus a, this result is 2, so apply this, we get f dash a, clear, plus z minus a square over 2 factorial f double dash a plus and so on, z minus a power n, z minus a power n, right, divided by n factorial f n a plus and so on, and which is the required Taylor series for fz about z is equal to a. Okay, so this means that when given function is analytic within a circle C, okay, with center at A, then we can develop a infinite type of series which is known as power series, which is known as Taylor series. Clear? So this part is very very important. So how can we develop a Taylor series? इसमें एक पॉइंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप देख रहे हो कि z इज इक्वल टू a, इसके अराउंड आपको डेवलप करनी है सीरीज. z इज इक्वल टू a मीन z माइनस a इज इक्वल टू 0, मीन z माइनस a के अराउंड जो है वो आपकी सीरीज बननी चाहिए. सो z माइनस a लाइक दिस वी हैव. अब आप देखिए यहाँ पर z माइनस a पावर 1 है, z माइनस a पावर 2 है, z माइनस a पावर n है. तो कहीं भी पावर जो है वो माइनस में नहीं है, नेगेटिव पावर नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है? बिकॉज fz इज एनालिटिक एवरीवेयर. क्लियर? अगर मैं ये कहूं कि इस सर्कल के अंदर ये वो सर्कल है और यहां पर एक और सर्कल है और ये जो fz है वो यहां पर एनालिटिक है, यहां पर एनालिटिक नहीं है, तब इस टाइप की सीरीज डेवलप नहीं होगी. ठीक है ना? फिर आपकी नेगेटिव टर्म भी एग्जिस्ट करेंगी, राइट, नेगेटिव टर्म भी उस केस में एग्जिस्ट करेंगी. सो दैट वन इज नेक्स्ट थ्योरम. ओके, लॉरेंट सीरीज. ओके, सो व्हेन फंक्शन इज एनालिटिक एवरीवेयर देन वी कैन डेवलप this series like this way. Okay, and another remarkable fact is that complex analytic function can always be represented by this power series of the type 1. Okay, so complex analytic function can always be represented by power series of this type of series, and when if a is equal to 0, then the series becomes fz is equal to f0 plus z f dash a plus z square over 2 factorial f double dash a plus and so on, and this is nothing but Maclaurin series which we have already discussed in differential calculus. Okay, now this question is find Taylor expansion of fz, and fz is 1 over z plus 1 square about the point z is equal to minus iota. So z is equal to minus iota means z plus iota, z प्लस आइटा इज इक्वल टू 0. तो आपकी जो टर्म्स बननी चाहिए वो z प्लस आइटा की फॉर्म में आनी चाहिए और उसकी पावर डेफिनेटली पॉजिटिव आनी चाहिए क्योंकि टेलर सीरीज आपको डेवलप करनी है. ओके, सो टू एक्सपेंड fz अबाउट z इज इक्वल टू माइनस आइटा, दिस मींस इन द पावर ऑफ z प्लस आइटा. let us put z plus iota is equal to t, then fz is 1 over, now z is t minus iota, so t minus iota, so z is t minus iota plus 1 square, and from this 1 minus iota square minus 2 common, and within the bracket 1 plus t over 1 minus iota power minus 2, and this use binomial expansion, okay, expand by binomial expansion, we obtain this type of result, iota over 2 within the bracket 1 minus 2t over 1 minus t plus 3t square over 1 minus t square plus and so on. So अब आप देखिए यहाँ पे अब ये जो t है, t की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं z प्लस आइटा, ओके, सो t इज इक्वल टू z प्लस आइटा, सो विद इन कंपैक्ट फॉर्म दिस कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड लाइक दिस वे. तो अब आप देखिए ये कांस्टेंट टर्म है और यहाँ z प्लस आइटा पावर n है, n 1 टू इन्फिनिटी है, तो इसका मतलब इसकी जितनी भी टर्म्स होंगी, ओके, इसकी जितनी भी टर्म्स होंगी वो पॉजिटिव रहेंगी, z प्लस आइटा 1, z प्लस iota power 2 and so on. So this one is nothing but Taylor's expansion, okay. Now one more question, expand the following function as a Taylor series, okay, this one 1 over z minus 1 into z minus 2 in the region mod z is less than 1, mod z is less than 1. So partial fraction, use partial fraction, we obtain two terms, minus 1 over 2, 1 minus z over 2 power minus 1 plus 1 minus z and power minus 1. So when we say mod z is less than 1, this means mod z over 2 is also less than 1, clear. So when mod z is, this magnitude of z is less than 1, then obviously z minus z over 2 is less than 1, this magnitude, and magnitude of z is also less than 1, that one is given. Then use binomial expansion, because this term and this term is, magnitude of these terms is less than 1. So use this binomial expansion here. So first term, this term minus 1 by 2 as it is, clear, and expand this term, we obtain this series, and second case we obtain this type of series, okay, and just simplify, right. So 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4 z plus 7 over 8 z square plus 15 over 16 z cube and so on. तो आप देखिए यहाँ पर z की पावर प्लस है, 1 है, z स्क्वायर है, z क्यूब है, right. So this series is known as Taylor series, clear, this series is known as Taylor series. और अगर एक भी टर्म में अगर z पावर माइनस 1 होता, z पावर माइनस 2 होता या इनफाइनाइट नेगेटिव टर्म्स होती, ठीक है, तो वो फिर टेलर सीरीज नहीं होती, क्लियर. तो टेलर सीरीज में सारी की सारी पावर जो है वो ग्रेटर देन 0 होनी चाहिए, राइट. Now this one is the statement of power series as we have already discussed, and that one is the statement of Taylor series. Now what is Laurent series? अब Laurent series में वो situation create हो जाएगी कि आपका जो function analytic है वो पूरे circle के अंदर नहीं है, okay. So this one is the statement, proof not required. So if fz is analytic inside and on the boundary of the ring shaped region R, so within this region, okay, the function is analytic, okay, bounded by two concentric circles C1 and C2 of radii R1 and R2, where R1 is greater than R2. This R1 is greater than this R2 respectively, with center at A. Then for all Z in the region R, right, Fz is equal to A0 plus A1 Z minus A plus A2 Z minus A square plus and so on, and negative terms, okay, A minus 1 Z minus A पावर माइनस 1, a माइनस 2, z माइनस a पावर माइनस 2 प्लस एंड सो ऑन. तो यहाँ पर ये जो पावर्स की इनफाइनाइट टर्म्स है, ये भी इनफाइनाइट टर्म्स है, क्लियर. तो इसमें एक भी हो सकती है, दो भी हो सकती है, ये भी हो सकता है ये इनफाइनाइट सारी की सारी हो जाए और ये कोई ना हो, ये पॉसिबिलिटी बन सकती है, राइट. बट अल्टीमेटली fz लुक लाइक दिस वे, वेयर a0 is evaluated using this formula and a minus n can be evaluated using this formula. So a n is equal to 1 over 2 pi I integral over c1 fw over w minus a power n plus 1 dw, where n varies from 0, 1 to 3 and so on, okay. So 0, 1 to 1, this 1 over 2 pi I integral over c2 fw over w minus a power minus n plus 1 dw, where n varies from 1 to 3, 1, 2, 3 and so on, okay. तो 0 जो है वो यहाँ पर लिख दिया गया, right. So that one is this Laurent series, okay. तो अब Laurent series कैसे डेवलप करनी है इसको एक दो एग्जांपल से देख लेते हैं. So expand the following function in Laurent series. So z over z minus 1 into z minus 3 for magnitude z minus 1 less than 2. अब देखिए ये जो फंक्शन दे रखा हुआ है इसके आप पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन बना लो, ठीक है. So minus 1 over 2 z minus 1 minus 3 over 4 1 minus z minus 1 divided by 2, and that can be represented as this term as it is, and this can be written as this way, clear. अब देखिए ये टर्म तो क्लियर ही है z minus 1, okay, z-1 की फॉर्म में आपको लेके आना रिजल्ट, राइट. So this can be written as, use binomial expansion here, we obtain this by using expansion of binomial theorem, and just simplify, we obtain this result, and that one is nothing but Laurent expansion in the region magnitude of z-1 less than 2. Clear? अब आप यहाँ से देख लीजिए कि z-1 की पावर n -1, n वेरीज फ्रॉम 1 to 0, तो एक 0 आएगी, फिर 1 आएगी, फिर 2 आएगी, तो अल्टीमेटली पॉजिटिव रही. बट ये जो टर्म है, ड्यू टू दिस टर्म दिस सीरीज इज लॉरेंट सीरीज. दिस सीरीज इज नोन एज लॉरेंट एक्सपेंशन और लॉरेंट सीरीज. ओके, तो अगर एक भी टर्म नेगेटिव आ गई, ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब यह हुआ कि आपका जो फंक्शन है वो हर जगह पर एनालिटिक नहीं है. कुछ स्पेस है, कुछ रीजन है जहां पर ये फंक्शन एनालिटिक नहीं है. So one more question, expand the function in Laurent series 1 over z minus 2 for magnitude of z is greater than 2. Okay, so in this case magnitude of z is greater than 2. ये तो देखो less than 2 होना चाहिए था, but magnitude of z greater than 2, this means that z over magnitude z is less than 1, right? तब आप बाइनोमियल एक्सपेंशन जो है वो अप्लाई कर पाओगे. सो 1 over z minus 2, we have given this function and this can be written as 1 over z common 1 minus 2 over z. This means 1 over z 1 minus 2 over z power minus 1. Okay, now this 2 over magnitude z is less than 1, so use this binomial expansion, we obtain 1 over z, okay, 1 plus 2 over z plus 4 over z square plus and so on. So we get all negative terms, 1 over z, 1 over z square, 1 over z cube and so on. So this one is Laurent series. Clear? इसमें कोई भी पॉजिटिव की टर्म नहीं है, z की पावर +1 +2 इस टाइप की कोई टर्म नहीं है. ओके, नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन, एक्सपेंड द फंक्शन इन लॉरेंट सीरीज 1 minus cos z over z cube about z is equal to 0. तो cos z की एक्सपेंशन आप यूज कर सकते हो. ओके, सो cos z इज 1 minus z square over 2 factorial plus z 4 over 4 factorial minus z 6 over 6 factorial and so on divided by z cube. Just simplify, just this one and this one cancel, we obtain this result, and further this square, this cube, so 1 over z, 1 over 2 factorial minus and so on. Now due to this term this series is Laurent series. Okay, so in compact form this can be written like this way. Okay, n is equal to 2 means 4 means z minus 1, so we obtain this term. Clear? We obtain this term. So this one is Laurent type of series. Now last question, expand the function in Laurent series e raised power z over z minus 1 square about z is equal to 1. Okay, z is equal to 1. इसको कैसे करोगे? Okay, so e raised power z over z minus 1 square about z is equal to 1. तो देखिए इसको कैसे करना है, z minus 1 is equal to 0 means z minus 1 is equal to t. Clear? So substitute z minus 1 is equal to t. So when you substitute z minus 1 is equal to t, we obtain simple result t e raised power t divided by t square. Clear? So just simplify, expand e raised power t. Okay, so we obtain this expansion, and then this within this bracket term we obtain this type of expansion, and substitute finally t is equal to z minus 1, so we obtain this type of term. अब देखिए यहाँ पर क्या आ रहा है, z minus 1 2 आ रहा है, यानी कि नेगेटिव पावर आ रही है, z minus 1 पावर -2 आ रहा है, ये z minus 1 पावर -1 आ रहा है, और उसके बाद ये प्लस 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 टर्म्स आने शुरू हो जाएंगे. क्लियर? इसका मतलब नेगेटिव टर्म्स हैं यहाँ पर. क्लियर? सो दिस वन इज लॉरेंट टाइप ऑफ सीरीज. ओके, तो इस टाइप की कुछ और आप एग्जांपल करिएगा, ठीक है, टू डेवलप दिस लॉरेंट सीरीज एज वेल एज टेलर सीरीज. बस यही ध्यान रखिएगा कि अगर लॉरेंट सीरीज पूछी गई है तो आपको प्रॉब्लम को इस ढंग से प्लान करना है, इस ढंग से सॉल्व करना है कि आपकी नेगेटिव पावर्स की एग्जिस्टेंस आए. ठीक है, और अगर आपको टेलर सीरीज आने पूछी गई है तो कोई भी ऐसी टर्म नहीं आनी चाहिए जिसमें पावर माइनस में रहे. राइट? And next time we will discuss zeros and singularities of analytic function. Okay, thank you, bye.